Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you what to do if you would like the new items to be moved to the bottom of the screen automatically on the Google Keep application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now, you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the settings section and click on it. As you can see in the display options, the first option is add new items to the bottom. So if you would like that the new items that you have created, such as notes, to be moved to the bottom of the home page, you should turn on this function by clicking on the button. Thereby, you will see that all your notes that you have created will be added to the bottom of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.